Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily sort documents in MongoDB using the sort method. So you can easily sort documents. While sorting, you can also specify the sorting order using 1 and -1 values. That means mention 1 for ascending order sort and -1 for descending order sort. And you can sort according to specific fields. Now let us see an example. So we have started our Mongo server and connected. Let's see all the databases using showdb's command. Press enter. So our database here is demo. Let's enter use space demo. Press enter. We are inside the demo database now. Now let's see all the collections using the show collections command. Press enter. Here are our collections: client, department, and employee. Now let's see what we have under client collection. db.collection name, that is db.client.find. And let's also mention pretty so that the document's output is formatted on its own. Press enter. Here we have our client records, that is documents under client collection. Okay, so let's say now we need to sort the records in ascending order on the basis of department, client department. Now what we will do, let's mention the command db.collection name, that is db.client. db.client. Now guys, use find method dot sort, and under that you need to mention you want to sort according to which field and in ascending or descending order. So here it is, we want it according to client department, that is client DPT field colon 1, because we want to sort according to ascending order. Now press enter. Here are the records according to ascending order sort. Now let's format it dot pretty. Press enter. Here it is. So now guys, you can see it is sorted according to client department field and in ascending order. So HR, IT, and marketing is visible here in ascending order. Let us see another example. We will go to the employee collection dot find db.employee dot find dot pretty. Now let's see what we have here. We have, you can see, 4 documents. Now guys, let us sort according to employee age in descending order. So I hope you know the query now. db.collection name, that is db.employee dot find dot sort, and now you need to mention the sort order as well as the field related with the sort. What we were having emp age here. You can see the field name emp age. It should be accurate. Colon, press 1, press enter. Sorry guys, -1 is for descending order and 1 is for ascending order. So here we displayed in descending order. Let's see the output dot pretty in a formatted way. Press enter. So here the records are sorted according to age in ascending order. Now let us again execute this but display the records according to descending order sort. Here is the command. I use the arrow key for the same command. Now let's mention -1 and the output will be visible according to employee age sorted in descending order. Press enter. Here it is. It is now in descending order. You can see 29, 27, 25 and 25 again. So guys, we easily sorted it. In the above example also, we sorted according to ascending order because we used 1. So the records were visible in ascending order. You can see according to employee age. And going above, we saw another example. Here it is. We sorted according to client department, client DPT field, and in ascending order. So 1 is for ascending order. So guys, in this video we saw how we can work with the sort method and sort the records in ascending as well as descending order on the basis of specific fields. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.